subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
The Xiaomi sub-brand Black Shark has launched two new gaming smartphones in China called Black Shark 3 and Black Shark 3 Pro. Both these devices look quite identical but are different in terms of specifications. The Pro variant is slightly larger compared to non-Pro variant and has more features. Talking about the specifications, the Xiaomi Black Shark 3 Pro features a large 7.1-inch Quad HD Plus AMOLED display with 19.5:9 aspect ratio. The screen supports 90Hz refresh rate and it boasts world's fastest 270Hz touch sampling rate. Under the hood, the phone is powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 865 chipset paired with Adreno 650 GPU. For gaming, the company has added dedicated trigger buttons on the right edge, and it also has advanced cooling system that maintains phone temperature in extreme conditions. The device packs with 8 or 12GB of RAM and it comes in only 256GB of internal storage. As per the camera, the Black Shark 3 Pro supports AI-featured triple camera setup on the rear with LED flash and a laser autofocus system. The triple camera setup includes a 64MP main camera with f1.8 aperture plus 13MP ultra-wide-angle lens with f2.25 aperture and a 5MP depth sensor with f2.2 aperture. For selfies, there is 20MP camera at the front with f2.2 aperture. On the software front, the handset runs on Android 10 out of the box based on company's Joy UI skin on top. The phone comes equipped by a massive 5000 mAh battery that supports 65W fast charging via USB Type-C port and 18W magnetic charging. Additionally, the smartphone also features an in-display fingerprint sensor for authentication. The connectivity option on the phone includes 5G, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.0, GPS and a 3.5mm headphone jack. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 177.79 by 83.29 by 10.1mm and it weighs around 253 grams. Now, talking about the pricing and availability details. The Black Shark 3 Pro has been priced in China for 8GB RAM plus 256GB storage variant at 4,699 Chinese yuan and the 12GB RAM plus 256GB storage model is priced at 4,999 Chinese yuan. The smartphone is now up for reservation in the country in Armor Grey and Phantom Black color options, and the pre-sale will begin from March 10th. So, what do you guys think of this Black Shark 3 Pro smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.